Hey, what's going on, y'all? Cody here at Carolina Custom Classics. I'm back at you with episode 2 of the 1951 custom hot rod build. Stay tuned. Alright, so I left off on the trunk. It was a mess, full of junk. Cleaned it out. Solid. I mean, got a little bit of rust coming through here, a little bit there, but I mean, even that, I mean, that's always what rust is out first. Yeah, so yeah, once again, hardly no body work. That's gonna be awesome, man. So yeah, I mean, look at this, tail pan, solid, no rust holes. Yep. Alright, be back with you. Alright, so I thought I'd give y'all a little sneak peek of the 51 Ford's engine. I'm going to keep it kind of traditional to what it is, you know, with the small block Chevy mounts. I happen to have a 350. I pulled it out of one of my 57s about a year ago. It was running before I pulled it out. It's a good candidate for this build. Pulled out all plugs, soaked it with some Marvel mystery oil. Yeah, so it's doing good. Just waiting to get a little bit of money put into it and some good parts. Alright, so I keep it under this water tank cover. See if I can get it out of here. Alright, there she is. That's going to be her right there. I got a carburetor for it. I'm hoping to get a sponsor though. That'd be my #1 option. Yeah, it's a good quality GM block. Nothing against Ford. I own several Fords. My daily driver is a 55 Ford with a 272. So all y'all die-hard Ford guys can't go there with me. I love Ford too, but I mean, it is what it is. For this build, I'm going with the Chevrolet. Alright. Alright, so I got me a little find. I was digging around in the Parts 49. Found this old shifter. I think that's going to do good for my build. Really good condition. Not showing the brand. Not sure if y'all can see that. Hang on, I'm upside down. But it says 9011. No name. If any of y'all know what brand that is, that'd be cool. Thank y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the roof's got a pretty good dent in it. I'm actually just going to try and pop it out by hand, see how it turns out. So we'll try it anyways. Look at that. Ain't that amazing? I knew I was hanging through. Alright, so I'm not going to ramble all day. I guess I'm going to end this video here. I would like to show off this neat emblem. I like that kind of stuff. You don't see that on new cars, but that's why I like old ones. So, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for episode 3. I'ma probably do a little trunk work. That little rust, I'm gonna probably cut out some metal, show you how I'm gonna patch it. You may do it your way, I do it my way, and it works for me. So I'm hoping that y'all will like it, and stay tuned for episode 3. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And tell all your friends. Thank you. Bye.